evening, Ghana for Muntie video way. Muntie, I'm going to go to see Kofi Oduro or ya zan or ye thief. Muntie video.
Your Excellency, good morning. There's a petition coming to your table by the lawyers of that young man. Please, that young man is too intelligent for prison. And at the moment, he has a health challenge on humanitarian grounds. Please, could he be added to the people that will be pardoned this year? Atu Asian is the name, not Akwifo. Atu Asian is the name. They are asking. That young man knows how to make money. He knows how to build businesses. He knows how to build even a nation. That are calling His Excellency the President concerning the Capital Plus young man who is serving a jail sentence in Nsawam.
Hello.
What was that, Kofi Oduro? Or your comfort? He is serving a jail term because on street any change questions on. If he's too intelligent, why is he in prison? Sometimes more cassette are being a damn mukimu yusu. And who fake accent. Say what you brought for America cry. One case someone who can't told you. Say he is a nation builder. Or the taxpayers' money. What the taxpayers' money running into millions? Or your comfort disappears of the whole prison. More prison. A quam kekenti. We are not that prison, almost some more health issue. I'm not gonna for. Say enya Kofi for Kofi ni te say Kofi Oduro. Won say akronfo mienu ti won patch o ama no. Woni mo bi nation builder. Nation builder on the taxpayers money. Or you shoot taxpayers money for national development. Wo dem catch you dey bia ye for Kofi mi so ye for me Kofi. Unfi na mi o. Dede keke na wo ye. Na Ghana for na dodo na madwen wo fam. Na mo ji wudi. Wan kasa nkwasi asema o kan o video wem. Eyema. Say we should pardon Atuesian because of what? He's too intelligent. If it's intelligent people, they don't steal the taxpayers' money. They use the taxpayers' money to build businesses, to develop the nation. Ukasa drink Kofi Oduro, ukasa drink kakana. Some of our video and kwasi asem. Me na me catch you. Why do you from? Anytime guys say unyankopon fro ye. Dede keke na we. Me maka. John Mama, don't pardon Atuesian. He deserves his punishment because he stole the taxpayers' money. Cheers.